Let's get to know the Atlantic FilterFalls biological filter. FilterFalls offer mechanical and biological filtration and are designed to start a stream or waterfall. Their upflow design takes water into the bottom, passes it through filter media, and pours it out over the top over a wide spillway. The pads they come with remove debris mechanically and also house colonies of beneficial bacteria that convert fish wastes and toxins into harmless nutrients. Inside the fitting bag is a water garden manual, 2 liner clamps, silicone, and the hardware to seal the flange and liner to the FilterFalls. All documentation is printed in English, French, and Spanish. The water garden manual covers FilterFalls, skimmers, and their accessories. A true manual rather than just instructions, it walks you through pond design, equipment location, installation procedures for skimmers, filters, and accessories, and warranty information, with clear illustrations and tables. There are 4 sizes, with model numbers that correspond to the width of the spillway, or weir: BF 1600, 1900, 2600, and 3800. The smallest is pre-drilled to accept an 1.5 inch bulkhead fitting. All the rest come with drill points for multiple plumbing options. All can be customized, both with additional quantities and additional types of biomedia, which means the filter's capacity can grow with the pond and increasing fish loads. FilterFalls has rotomolded walls 1/4 inch thick and a rolled rim for strength. Drill points all the way around the hexagonal base allow plumbing from any direction, but you will need to drill a hole for the 2-inch bulkhead fitting. On the face of the filter, nuts embedded around the spillway accept stainless steel screws that clamp a pre-drilled flange to hold the liner in place. The projecting spillway has a drip edge that keeps water from running down behind the liner. The top of the filter is covered by a rock tray and a support bar. Under the tray there's a media bag for optional bio balls or other filter material, a fitting bag, and 2 filter mats. At the bottom, another tray supports the mats, leaving a hollow underneath for debris collection. There's plenty of room for additional mats and media in the filter chamber. And that's everything you need to know about the FilterFalls, but we're afraid to ask. Next up, installing the FilterFalls. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.